Now, mathematical definition of probability. So first of all, before understanding the definition of probability, you must understand certain terms like equiprobable event. The events for which probability of occurrence are equal, in simple words, are called equiprobable event. If there is no apparent reason to believe that out of one or more event or random experiment, any one event is more or less likely to occur, then they are called equiprobable event. Like tossing a coin. So getting head, getting tail, both will have equal chance, one half, one half. Throwing a dice, getting number 1, getting number 2, getting number 3, getting number 5, getting number 6, getting number 4, all are equiprobable. Probability will be 1 by 6. So these are called equiprobable event. Then favorable outcome. Out of the total outcome in sample space, the outcome which are favorable for occurrence of any particular event A are called favorable outcome. For example, a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Then your sample space is 52. Event A denotes that card is a face card. तो face card कितना हुआ 12. King, Queen and Jack. For each suit there will be 3 face cards and 4 suits. So total 12. So 12 are the favorable outcome for occurrence of event A. So out of the total number of outcome, the outcome which are favorable for occurrence of any particular event are called favorable outcome for that event. Now, definition of probability. Suppose there are total n outcomes in the finite sample space. We are talking about finite sample space. So n is absolute number of a random experiment which are mutually exclusive, exhaustive and equiprobable. We are assuming that these events are mutually exclusive, exhaustive and equiprobable. If m outcomes among them are favorable for an event A, means out of n, m outcome are favorable for occurrence of event A, then probability of happening of event A is denoted by P of A is equal to favorable outcome of event A upon total number of outcome. So that is m upon n. This is the mathematical definition of probability. Most of the sum can be solved by applying this formula. You can find total number of outcome, you can find favorable outcome for occurrence of event A, and by putting it into the formula P of A is equal to m upon n, you can easily find out the probability. P of A is equal to m upon n. Now, value of probability will be always like this. It cannot be less than 0 or it cannot be greater than 1. Why? Because probability of certain event will be always 1, and probability of impossible event will be always 0. See, for certain event your M will be 0. For impossible event, sorry. For impossible event, favorable outcome will be 0. And for certain event, your total outcome are favorable outcome. Means M and N are equal. So you can see this is 0 and this is 1. So minimum value of probability will be always 0. Maximum will be 1. Probability cannot be negative and cannot be greater than 1. Probability of complementary events P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. Barabar? Out of total probability, if I will subtract the probability of occurrence of event A, I will get probability of complementary event. Okay, now see, A is equal to M upon N, and A dash એટલે basically શું હતું? This is your U. This is your A. This is your A dash. So total outcomes N. For A, favorable outcomes are M. So for A dash, it will be N minus M upon N. Out of total outcomes, if I subtract the possible outcome or favorable outcome of A, I will get favorable outcome for A dash. So basically, if I split this, N upon N minus M upon N. So P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A, or P of A is equal to 1 minus P of A dash. Barabar? Then A minus B, also A intersection B dash is equal to A minus A intersection B. Same way, P of B minus A is equal to A dash intersection B. So it will be P of B minus A intersection B. So from this relation, A minus B is equal to A minus A intersection B, and P of B minus A is equal to B minus A intersection B. P of A is equal to A intersection B plus A intersection B dash. Okay. From this, P of B is equal to A intersection B plus A dash intersection B. બરાબર. પછી સેટ થિયરીમાં ડી મોર્ગન્સ લો આવતો હતો તમારે, which you must have studied for union and intersection. So same can be applied to probability also. A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash, or 1 minus P of A union B. Same way, A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So 1 minus P of A intersection. If two balanced coins are tossed, then find the probability of getting one head and one tail, and getting at least one head. Two balanced coins are tossed. So first of all, you must find out sample space, that is your n. If I will toss one balanced coin, then total possible outcomes will be 2, head and tail. If I toss 2 balanced coin, it will be 2 raised to 2. So total outcomes will be 4. So your U will be like this. On both coin I will get head, or head and tail, tail and head, and both tails. If it was 3 coins, then total outcomes will be 2 raised to 3, that is 8. 4 coins, 2 raised to 4, 60. Now what they have asked? First, getting one head and one tail. So we will denote it by event A. Okay, event A is equal to getting one head and one tail. So what are the possible outcome for it? One head, one tail. HT, TH. So possible outcomes are 2. So your probability of A is equal to M upon N. 2 by 4. So 1 by 2. Then getting at least one head. At least means one or more than one. Means one head or two heads. One or more than one. So outcomes will be HT, TH and HH. So the total outcomes will be 3. P of B if I have one question, both tails or no heads, then your M will be 0. Sorry, 1. This both tails or no heads. Clear? when के both heads तो भी 1/4 था HH. पड़ी खबर? पक्को?
हाँ सर.
Exercise 1.2, sum number 1. A balanced coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of following event: getting all 3 heads, not getting a single head, getting at least one head, getting more than one head, getting at the most one head, getting less than 2 heads, getting head and tail alternately, getting more number of heads than tails. So here your n will be the head tail वाला sum में first of all you must define your universe, sample space. So HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, TTT, TTH, THT and THH. These are the possible outcomes. Your n sample space. ફર્સ્ટ શું કીધું છે? all 3 heads. The possible outcome કેટલા છે? H H H 1. So your P of A will be M upon N, that is 1/8. Then
Not a single head.
Means all are tails. So again
Getting at least one head.
At least one head. Now, at least one head means one head, two heads, or three heads. One head, two head, and three heads. One head, one, two, three. Two heads and three heads. So total possible outcomes 7. 7 by 8. Then
Getting more than one head. More than one head.
more than one head means
4 by
two heads and three heads. So two heads, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total 4 outcomes. Two heads and three heads. So your M will be 4. HTH, HHT, THH are for two heads, and for three heads it is HHH. So total number of outcome for favorable event of D is 4. So your P of D 4 by 8. 1 by 2. Then
getting at the most one head.
at the most one head means maximum 1 means one head or less than one head means one head or zero head. One head માટે TTH, THT, HTT and TTT. So again 4. Then
Getting less than two heads.
less than two heads. Again one head, zero head. Then
Getting head and then alternately. 2 by 8.
getting
Head and then alternate.
means HTH or THT. So 2 favorable outcomes 2. So probability 1 by 4. Getting more number of heads than tails. More number of heads than tails. So HHT, THH, HTH. બરાબર. આ ત્રણ આઉટકમ્સ એવા છે કે એમાં નંબર ઓફ heads are higher than number of tails. More number of heads than tails. HHT, HTH, THH. Two balanced dice marked with number 1 to 6 are thrown simultaneously. So if one dice is thrown, then total number of outcome will be 6. Two dice are thrown, so total number of outcome will be 36. 6 raised to 2. Now find the probability the sum of numbers on both the dice is 7. Sum of number on both dice is more than 10. Sum of number on both the dice is at the most 4. Both the dice show same number. Sum on the dice is 1. Sum of numbers on both the dice is 12 or less. આમ તો અને આપણે પોસિબલ આઉટકમ બનાવીએ તો કઈ રીતના બને 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 એ રીતના 6 6 સુધી બરાબર એ રીતના બને પોસિબલ આઉટકમ. Six. 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 એ રીતના 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. બટ આપણને એમને સ્પેસિફિકલી સમ પૂછ્યું છે સમ એટલે ટોટલ ઓન બોથ ધ ડાઇસ. હવે જ્યારે ટોટલ વાળો ક્વેશ્ચન હોય ત્યારે હું તમને એક ટેકનિક બતાવું એ રીતનું બનાવી દેવા 2 3 4 5 6 7 3 4 5 6 7 8 4 12 સુધી જવાનું છે. वन वन એટલે 1 1 નું ટોટલ શું થાય 1 2 નું શું થાય આપણને ટોટલ પૂછ્યું છે તો ઇન્ડિવિડ્યુઅલી નંબર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની ક્યાં જરૂર છે. હવે ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન શું છે તમારો 7 sum is 7 તો 7 sum હોય તો કેટલા નંબર છે થઈ ગયું સીધું શોધવા નહીં પડે પેલા તમારે એડ કરવું પડે ચેક કરવું પડે કે કેનું ટોટલ 7 થાય છે. સો p of a m upon n 6 by 36 so 1 upon 6 પછી શું કહે છે સેકન્ડ માં
Sum of number on both the dice is more than 10.
more than
10.
10 more than 10 બરાબર. પછી
Sum of number on both the dice
sum is
4.
at the most
At the most.
at the most 4 means 4 or less than 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 बराबर. Then
Both the dice show same number.
Then both the dice are having same number. तो अकेला आउटकम था 6 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 बराबर. બંને ડાઇસ પરના નંબર સેમ આવે એવો આઉટકમ કેટલા થાય 6 બરાબર. બે ડાઇસ નું થાય પણ બંને પર 1 1 આવે 2 2 આવે 3 3 આવે 4 4 5 5 6 6. પછી
Sum of number on both the dice is 1.
impossible event. Sum total 1 તો થાય ને at least total 2 હોય. So impossible event એટલે m0 and probability of impossible event is also 0. Then
Sum of number on both the dice is 12 or less.
બધા નંબર આવી ગયા. Certain events 36 12 or less than 12. So probability of certain events. Find the probability of getting R in the first place in all possible arrangement of each and every letter of word Rutva. Arrangement, the permutation. You have to arrange all the different letters of the word Rutva in such a way that R will be in the first place. Any probability getting? બરાબર. See. n શું થાય કેટલા લેટર્સ છે 5 5p5 5 factorial 120 event a the first place માં r હોય એ કન્ફર્મ છે. બાકીના ચાર પ્લેસ ગમે તે નંબરથી ફિલ અપ થાય એવું થયું ને. So your m will be first place r 1p1 and remaining 4 in any other 4 ways. So 1p1 into 4p4 and then 24. So probability of A (24 upon 120) 1/5. ટેક્સ્ટ બુક માં આટલી બધી જે લખાણ પટ્ટી કરે છે એટલું બધું ડિસ્ક્રિપ્ટિવ લખાય એટલું બધું લખવાની જરૂર તમારે નથી. હું લખાવું હું આજે લખું છું એટલું લખશો એટલે સફિશિયન્ટ. અને એમાં ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ ના કરતા બધી જાતે. બરાબર. Clear our question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. 4 male employees and 2 female employees working in a government department. The total 6 employees are there. Are sent to one by one interns to training center for training. એક પછી એક એ લોકોને ટ્રેનિંગ માં મોકલે. Find the probability that 2 female employees go successively for the training. मतलब 2 female employee જોડે જ જાય એમ. આવતું હતું ને કે both girls sit together એવો સમ આવતો હતો ને 11th માં. આમાં એ જ રીતના છે કે both female employees go successively, they will go together for the training. બરાબર? Four male employee and 2 female employee. એટલે n શું થશે તમારું 66, that is 6 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 720. Now your event A. Go successively, it means go together for training. તો હવે શું કરવાનું સમજો. Your 2 female employee will go together. અને આને એક યુનિટ કન્સિડર કરી દેવા. 2 female 1 unit. So 1 અને 4 male employees એટલે ટોટલ કેટલું થયું 5. અને જે 2 female employee છે અંદર અંદર ચેન્જ થાય, પહેલા ફર્સ્ટ જાય પછી સેકન્ડ જાય, સેકન્ડ જાય ફર્સ્ટ જાય. So 2p2. જ્યારે બી ટુગેધર સક્સેસફુલી કીધું હોય તો જે જોડે જવાનું હોય એને યુનિટ કન્સિડર કરી દેવાનું અને બાકીનામાં એડ કરી દેવાનું એટલે 5p5 થાય અહીંયા. 4 male plus 1 whole unit of 2 female એટલે 5 અને 2 female employee will interchange first second second first એ રીતના. So 2p2. એક મિનિટ કઈ ગડબડ કરી ને. હા 24 ના થાય ને 5 ફેક્ટોરિયલ 120 થાય. One by 3. Clear? पड़ी खबर कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Illustration 15. Find the probability of having 53 Thursday in a leap year. Okay. Our question તમને 2 mark માં 1 mark માં એ રીતના પૂછે. Probability of getting 53 Thursdays in a leap year. કોઈ બી ડે Thursday, Wednesday 53. હવે total number of days in leap year કેટલા થાય? लीप ईयर એટલે એવું યર જેમાં ફેબ્રુઆરીમાં 29 ડેઝ હોય અને એવરી 4 years રિપીટ થાય એટલે 2000 પછી ગણ 2000 2004 2008 12 બરાબર 16 2020 હવે 2024 આવશે which is exactly divisible by 4 a leap year पर 96 92. So total number of days in leap year. હવે કોઈ બી યર માં ટોટલ વીક્સ કેટલા હોય 52 weeks. (52 into 7), so it will be 364. So additional days કેટલા રહ્યા હવે એમાં કોમ્બિનેશન કઈ રીતના બેસે Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday Sunday અને Sunday Monday. The total કેટલા થયા 7. Out of that Thursday શેમાં આવે છે અને અહીંયા બે એડિશનલ ડેઝ શું થાય એટલે તમારી પ્રોબેબિલિટી કેટલી થાય required probability, that is probability of having 53 Thursday in a leap year. तो लीप ईयर ની જગ્યાએ નોર્મલ ઈયર કીધું હોય તો 366 ની જગ્યાએ શું થઈ જાય 365 minus 364 એટલે 1 એટલે કોઈ બી નોર્મલ ઈયર માં કોઈ બી ડે 53 ટાઈમ્સ આવે એની પ્રોબેબિલિટી કેટલી 1/7 બરાબર પછી લો એના જેવા છે હવે probability of 5 Mondays in February of leap year. Our question पूछा है. Find the probability of having 5 Mondays in February month of leap year. આમ તો નોર્મલ ફેબ્રુઆરી મંથ માં તો કોઈ દિવસ 5 ટાઈમ્સ આવે જ નહીં 28 days છે each day will be repeated 4 times બરાબર પણ લીપ યર માં ફેબ્રુઆરી માં ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ ડેઝ કેટલા થાય 29 4 weeks total days કેટલા થાય 28 so additional days 1 the probability કેટલી થાય 1/7 બરાબર ચેવું કીધું હોય probability of 5 Fridays in June એટલે એવો મંથ કે જેમાં 30 ડેઝ આવતા હોય તો કઈ રીતના થાય ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ ડેઝ ઇન જૂન 30 ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ ડેઝ ઇન 4 વીક 28 સો એડિશનલ ડેઝ કેટલા થાય 2 સો આન્સર શું થાય 2/7 હજી એક probability of 5 Fridays Tuesdays in December, October, January, ये भी 31 days वाला मंथ है. तो total number of days 31. Total number of days in 4 week 28. Additional days 3. So probability कितनी था?